So you upload a video to YouTube, you come back to your analytics an hour later, and you have one view. But here's the plot twist. What if that was your most important view ever? Today I want to talk to you about why every single view matters. How one random click from one random human being can change your channel, change your career, change your life. So I want you to drop this in the comments below. If there was just one person watching your YouTube video right now, what would you say to them? You, right now, are the single individual watching this video. And this is what I have to say to you. This is the uncomfortable truth. Most of us obsess over the number of views and not the value of the views. We chase 1,000 views, 10,000 views, that viral spike. But often it's just a single view that creates a monumental breakthrough. It might be one teacher watching a video who shows it to their entire classroom, or one fellow creator who might invite you to do a collab. Another single viewer might share your video to a much bigger audience, or one company founder watching your video might offer you the opportunity of a lifetime. Trust me, it happens. A decade ago, I made a video about how to copy video tags using vidIQ's tools. Guess what happened? One of those views was someone at vidIQ, who just so happened to be the CEO. That one click led to a DM, that DM led to a productive conversation, and that conversation led to all of this. And now I've helped millions of creators with their own YouTube journeys. And all that came from one single view. Let's try and put this into context, shall we? That one viewer could be a potential customer for your product. A first-time viewer who becomes a super fan of your channel. A recruiter looking to hire you. A journalist looking for a quote, or a future friend, investor, mentor. Opportunities like this are happening over and over and over again on YouTube every single day. It's a YouTuber with 63 subscribers who gets invited onto a podcast. A small channel with 112 views on their latest video that lands their first coaching client. Or a short form creator who got 18 likes on their last short that gets featured in a newsletter. Because that one view wasn't just a view, it's a bridge, a doorway, a domino. You never know who's watching. So never assume that low views equals low impact. Now here's where things get really interesting and where you have the most influence over your YouTube future. To a certain extent, you can't control how many people watch your videos, but you can control how that one person watching your video feels. Are you talking at them or to them? A tiny channel with 40 views can still get 10 comments if they simply ask the audience a question. By asking a question, you're turning a passive viewer into a conversation starter. Why do you think I asked that question to you at the beginning of this video? YouTube doesn't reward perfectionism because, let's be honest, nobody's perfect. But it does reward patterns. One person watches your video to the end, the algorithm notes it. One person likes, comments, shares, YouTube pays attention. And then before you know it, 10 people are engaging deeply with a video. And YouTube is starting to say to itself, that's interesting. I think I'm going to share this with more people. That's how videos grow, from the inside out. Not by constantly asking for a like and subscribe or begging the algorithm to gift you a viral moment, but by simply giving your viewers a reason to stay. One view, one form of engagement, one human connection at a time. Here's a little secret about the YouTube algorithm. A view never goes to waste. Some people watch videos on YouTube and don't do anything. No like, no comment, no subscribe. I'm very guilty of that myself. But 2 days later, they see one of your thumbnails on the YouTube homepage and they say to themselves, oh yeah, I remember that channel, it was pretty good. So they click the video and watch for a little bit longer. A week later, they've binged 5 more of your videos and they are absolutely hooked. And hell, maybe they still haven't liked or subscribed or posted a comment. But YouTube knows that they like to watch your content and it'll keep recommending it to them. All that from one view that didn't even look like it worked. That's why you don't delete low performing videos, and that's why you don't panic when your numbers are seemingly a bit slow. The algorithm doesn't forget because viewers don't forget. Now, I agree that this next thing I'm going to try and ask you to do will be hard to manifest, but I guarantee it will put you in a much healthier mental state of mind about your YouTube channel and journey. Don't envy the creators with gold play buttons and tens of millions of views. Instead, ask yourself this: how am I treating the 10 people I already have watching my videos? Are you showing up consistently? Are you asking them what they want to watch more of? Are you making it as easy as humanly possible for them to watch another one of your videos? That's how channels grow, one loyal viewer at a time. They don't need to subscribe to your channel. They need to know what value you bring to their time on YouTube. Your first 100 viewers aren't just metrics. They are the foundation of your brand, your business, your presence on the platform. Because one of them might become your first customer, your future collaborator, your biggest fan. If only one person is watching your video on YouTube, that's not a failure. That's your chance to prove it was worth their time. So respect that view, cherish it, cultivate it. And finally, reward that view with more stuff that they care about, like this video where we go into the reasons why small YouTube channels feel a certain way about their journey and why ultimately it's the greatest creative feeling in the world.